What if the moon simply vanished? Not shattered, not destroyed, just gone. No warning from NASA, no apocalyptic headlines. One night you look up and the sky is empty. How bad could it be, right? It's just the moon. Oh, you have no idea. First, the nights would fall completely dark. The moon reflects sunlight. Without it, our world would lose its nightlight. Cities would seem the same, but step outside the glow, and the wilderness becomes black, pitch black. No moonlight for hunters, no gentle glow for dreamers, just shadows. But the real chaos starts at the oceans. The moon pulls our tides. Without it, the ocean goes still. Coastlines would flatten. Marine life that depends on tides would collapse, and there goes every surfer's weekend plan. But that's just day one. Over time, something worse happens. The Earth starts to wobble. See, the moon acts like a stabilizer. It keeps Earth's tilt steady at 23.5 degrees. The moon doesn't just light our nights, it holds the Earth steady. Its gravity tugs on our oceans, creating tides that breathe in and out like the planet's heartbeat. Without that pull, coastlines would fall silent. Coral reefs would lose their rhythm, and ecosystems, depending on those gentle tides, would slowly begin to vanish. Without it, the planet begins to tilt back and forth, sometimes gently, sometimes violently. Imagine summers so hot they burn crops to ash, and winters that freeze oceans solid. Weather would no longer be predictable, it would be roulette. And what about us, humans? Well, good luck with your tidal energy plants. They'd stop working on day one. Ancient calendars, rituals, even cultural identities built around lunar cycles, gone. And those who once howled at the moon? They'd have to find something else to blame. Over thousands of years, the chaos would continue. Earth's new tilt might turn deserts green again and turn forests into frozen wastelands. Some regions might thrive, others might vanish beneath ice, and humanity would have to adapt to a sky that never truly feels alive again. So, what if the moon really disappeared? Would we find a way to survive? Could we build an artificial moon to restore balance? Or would Earth slowly lose its rhythm, one tide at a time? The truth is, we often take the moon for granted. We see it as decoration, a soft glow above our lives. But without it, the world would lose one of its oldest companions. The same light our ancestors once prayed to, sang under, and followed across deserts and seas. It's strange to imagine, that something so distant could mean so much to life here. What do you think would happen first? Our weather collapsing, our oceans dying, or our minds losing the comfort of the moonlight we've always known? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's see whose version of Earth survives the longest. You've been watching Myndora, where curiosity meets the unknown. If you made it this far, you clearly think differently. Subscribe and join the minds that always ask, what if?